Guys can stand amongst men and say, I did not beat my woman and I did not cheat my woman. I mean, the standard in South Africa is so low that we have to celebrate this. But it's so sad for me, ne? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and do comment in the comment section. My name is Bonzo. When I've seen that statement, at first I was like, maybe this is a prank. Is this the first of April? Because why? They just posted something about Sasol the previous day, and then today is this. And try to engage the most unproblematic and not on our face. You know how influencers and the celebrities who are in relationships and they make their personality online about the relationship, try to engage them whenever that. And to say that they are breaking up, woo, it hurts. But as a person who's in a parasocial relationship with them, parasocial relationship is a relationship wherein that person you might never meet them, you don't know them, but you may feel like they're your sisters or your brothers. That's what it means. Some people they have romantic parasocial relationship. I don't understand how. So, but it's fine. Here's one thing that I understand from Tad that South African women can apply in their lives, having standard, having boundaries, having limits. We only have limits when it comes to our friendship. Our girl friendship, we have limits. If your friend does this and that, you cut them off immediately. But when it comes to indoda, people will tell you that indoda maiti yaxolisa, meaning that when I'm saying I'm sorry, I'm sorry. When my man saying he's indeed sorry, and there's nothing, and there's no line, there's not, it's not up for discussion. And I'm not gonna